Foxwell is a professional vehicle diagnostic tool manufacturer, providing OBD code readers, scan tools, garage equipment, and more. Here we'll introduce the 5 best Foxwell scanners based on their functions and popularity. I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 1 on our list, we have the Foxwell OBD2 Scanner All Systems Diagnostic Scan Tool. The Foxwell NT624 Pro is ideal for those searching for a high-level scanner at a staggering value. Including a 4.3-inch TFT shading LCD show and unmistakably checked hotkeys, the NT624 is an extraordinary device for experts or little carport proprietors. It is strong and covered with elastic to secure the gadget. Foxwell NT624 Professional OBD2 Scan Tool is viable with generally homegrown, European, Asian, and more up-to-date 1996 light trucks, vehicles, SUVs, and pickups. The gadget is fit for playing out all OBD2 capacities just as exceptional capacities. With free lifetime refreshes, it is an incredible gadget for diagnosing diverse vehicle makes and models. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. At number 2 on our list, we have the Foxwell NT301 OBD2 Scanner Professional Mechanic OBD. The Foxwell NT301 is a straightforward to-utilize scanner as it includes a versatile plan code peruser, a slick console, hotkeys, and a 2.8-inch shading show. Utilizing this gadget will set aside your cash as you can play out a complete analytic of your vehicle anyplace and whenever. It rushes to use and will furnish you with brings about an extremely brief time frame. NT301 is a standout amongst other Foxwell scanners for its cash. The NT301 is viable with numerous public, European and Asian vehicles. You can refresh it free of charge within 1 year from the date of procurement, and you'll likewise get a 1-year unconditional promise. At number 3 on our list, we have the Foxwell NT650 Elite Car OBD2 Scanner Automotive OBD. Foxwell NT650 Diagnostic Code Reader is the best scanner for testing issues with your vehicle, for example, ABS airbag SASEP BDPF BRT CVT oil service reset and so forth. This gadget can examine the vehicle's state, check for glitches, search, and then some. Furthermore, it may be utilized to prevent the fire-up time, load test, beginning voltage, generator goal, and 12 and 24V burden test framework. The NT650 scan tool is likewise fit for testing AM-level batteries, gel batteries, 12V overflowed batteries and AM winding batteries. At number 4 on our list, we have the Foxwell NT630 Plus OBD2 Scanner ABS SRS bidirectional scan tool. With the unique inclusion of 52 vehicle marks, the Foxwell NT630 and Scanner are expert indicative suite devices with a broad scope of highlights. Outfitted with a large shading LCD screen, the NT630 is speedy and straightforward to utilize. It can peruse and clear ABS SRS inconvenience codes, help dispose of vehicle ABS SRS glitches, reset administration lights, read ECU data, and so forth. And finally at number 5 on our list, we have the Foxwell NT201 OBD2 Scanner Check Engine Light Car Code Reader. In case you are on a strict financial plan yet at the same time need a solid and precise scanner, Foxwell NT201 Code Reader is an extraordinary apparatus for you. In this rundown, the NT201 Code Peruse is the least expensive examining apparatus. However, that doesn't mean it needs to include some other Foxwell investigation instrument. It has a reasonable and lovely LCD screen to show results. Check out the description for more information about this product and the latest price. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.